All right, here we go. Coyotes North. Welcome. Sunday afternoon. We have the lower control arms on. I did not get to the upper control arms nor the upper control arm mount. So we just have, again, the lower control arms on. That's it. Those are the billet aluminum from Steeda. We're going to go out and just do some preliminary testing in the street and see how things are. I did take it out for a just quick drive, and now these are the lower control arms that are the solid mount in the rear. So you do feel a little bit of vibration resonating up back through the car. So as you mod the car and as you desire to go faster and faster, the unfortunate trade-off is you're gonna lose some comfort. So just an FYI to my viewers, it's not grossly bad, but you know, again, like I said, as you continue to mod, you start crossing over the line and you start modding more, wanting to go faster. I would like to keep the car decent in a sense of still some comfort, but be able to have some fun with it at the track, at the drag strip, and at the road course. Have not been to the road course yet. It's on my bucket list, and we'll probably look at that sometime next summer as we're approaching the ending of the year. So again, we're going to go out and do just some preliminary testing. It's cool out, 57 degrees. I have the tires at 30 psi. Of course, the road is a little cool, but anyways, we'll go out, have some fun, get some good videos, and see what happens. Testing's being done with traction control on. All right, this is awesome. We laid some rubber down. The car was launched at 2,500 RPM. For the first time ever in this car's life. I got a little video of that. I got the video of me launching, so the lower control arms are working. If you see my first launches, it's the first time ever this car is bogged. And it's because I wasn't coming out hard enough. I am now planting my tires on the ground. That's, man, this is awesome. You have no idea. Just turn this car around. So I'm super excited that this thing, I can continue now looking at modding for power. I did get a video in. Get a video in with a little bit harder launch, so I'm definitely going to be able to hook up at the track. If I'm hooking up on a 59-degree day in the street, I should be able to get this puppy planted down. Now, like I said, I still don't have the upper control arm mount, which is a stiffer mount. that's gonna get my pinion angle correct, and that's also gonna push and help me push and plant the wheels down, so I should get better traction than I'm getting today. And that's getting installed tomorrow at Scott's Auto. So again, mods are working. Steeda, kudos to Steeda and their beautiful design. They do a lot of R&D work. They know their stuff, so that's awesome. CoyotesNorth, thanks for watching. Thanks to my subscribers, and we'll keep the content rolling. Take care.